another day, and it's a Monday. It's day 9. Grabe yung rinig na putukan kanina. As in, it's like, I think it's more than 10 in total. Grabe. From 7 o'clock in the morning, sunod-sunod yung alarm. Tapos humupa na lang nung mga 9 na doon na sila nagpasalamat na thank you, we can live back to our normal lives. Grabe. At saka umulan pala. We're going to work, guys, and ako si Chakoy, your humble servant of Wandering Kusina, and we're on our way to work now. God bless us, God bless the UAE, and God bless the Philippines. So, eto na. It's raining. Ano pa lang, ambon-ambon pa lang, pero if you can see the skies right there, oh. Doon, ang dark ng clouds, and I think it's raining over there. So people are just back to normal after ng alarm. People are at work, or because Ramadan ngayon dito, offices starts at 9 or 9:30. It ends at around 3 or 3:30 or sometimes 4, depende sa load ng work mo, and sometimes kung darating ka ng 10, yan, pwede kang umalis ng 4. We're here na sa building and we're just looking for parking. I've got a parking! Yan. Pasok muna. So pasok muna tayo sa office. So this is the end of the day of the office. Yan, konti na lang kaming naiwan. That's Eds. Say hi, Eds. Yan, si Eds. And then si Reynold nandun. Yan, si Reynold. May kausap lang na kliyente. We're logging off now. Pero itong dalawang to, vying for the title of ano yan eh, Employee of the Year. So let's go home. Mahaba pa yung biyahe natin. So we're at the parking area of our building office. This is how I go through. And the system we're using here, this camera, that camera right over there, reads the plate number. Automatic siyang magbubukas as long as registered yung plate number mo. It's a cloudy day. The weather's changing, and after this rain, I believe it's going to be magiging warmer yung temperature. So this is our district. I was part of the team who opened this whole area, because I've been in the company for 10 years. I just celebrated my 11 years sa company. I just celebrated my 11 years sa company last 2nd of March. And today is what? Today is 9th of March. Bukas kaarawan ko. Yahoo! So anyways, travel muna tayo, and then we haven't eaten lunch. It's 5 p.m. Doon na lang tayo sa bahay kakain. We've been wanting to do this daily vlog for a very long time, pero hindi lang talaga namin paano simulan. Because we feel like nakakornihan ako sa pag-share ng daily life namin. But to the extent naman that we will share something na yung may idea kayo on how we live our lives here sa UAE, and sa mga pangyayaring ito, sa mga pangyayari dito sa mundo, especially sa GCC, it's fitting na you would know kung how we live our lives here. So eto, I'm going to show you. It is now Ramadan, hanggang March 19 yata yung Ramadan if I'm correct. So Eid will be around 18 or 19 or 20, depende. And this is how it looks like at this time, because everyone's trying to go home para makahabol sa iftar. So sa mga hindi alam dyan na followers namin, iftar is the end of fasting, and it happens pag sunset. So you can check that out. marami ng information, unlike before that we didn't even know what iftar is. At saka anong suhur. Suhur happens yung madaling araw bago mag-sunrise, because Muslims don't eat and don't drink when they're fasting. And that's also healthy for the body. It clears out your mind. It's a very healthy religious practice ng mga Muslims, and it happens once a year. But on 2030, 2 beses mag-Ramadan. Bahay na, and ito, meron ng pagkain. This is our dinner for today. Sweet potato at saka fried chicken na medyo sunog. Anyari dyan? Night shift si Chef Mark. Mamaya pa yan. So, kain muna tayo. Tapon basura. Ito yung pang-camping namin na trash bag. Hindi ganun ka-strong. Dapat mas makapal pa dapat eh. Gagawa siya ng hibiscus tea. This is hibiscus. Ito yung hibiscus. Yan. This is good for bloating. Tapos, pag may high blood, yung may mga diabetes, perfect po yan. And ito mura lang yan dito sa UAE. So we're going to end this vlog. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to i-try talaga namin na mag-daily vlogs kasi I don't know kung we can find something interesting. Pero maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Please don't forget to like and share this video, comment kayo, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel, at meron din kami Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And daghang salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much for watching. Ako si Chakoy.
Ako si Mars.
Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace.